Alright, so we're gonna get started here. Can't come over here because of the glare, so we're gonna stay tucked in behind the tire. That right there is the sway bar end link. And little side note, just undercoated everything again for the winter. Looks pretty good. Anyways, so the stock one, you got your nut up top and a bolt that comes through the bottom of the A-arm here. But with these Cognito ones, there's a little bracket that you bolt onto the bottom, and then there's a through bolt with a bolt on top. So take the bolt off on top, take that bolt out, and it comes right out. Alright, so here we have the sway bar end link, and it's going to be kind of hard to show you guys one-handed, but see it? There you go. You guys see it wobbling around in there? Yeah, it's not good. Alright, so we're over here on a press. Just got a bolt. Pop that sleeve out of there. And push the bushing out. Bam. Alright. Okay, so here's our new one next to our old one. And I don't know. You can definitely see that these top edges here, they're definitely a little wore out. And the other thing I noticed on this old one, there's like a little bit of a raised lip right there, where it rides on the outside there. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna take ourselves some grease, a little bit of that, and let's put her on the inside rim here, lube her up. The first time I did this, I know I wasn't doing YouTube back when I first installed the lift kit, but I think this might be one of the problems that I had, because when I first did this, I just hammered them in. I didn't press them in because I was at home, and so I think it'll work a whole lot better press them in with grease, and I think they won't wear out as fast, possibly. Alright, back over here. Bring it down. Oh yeah, I slid right in. Very nice. Okay, so got that put in the bushing, and just put the metal bushing back through the rubber one. Lube that up also. Figured it'd be a whole lot easier than that. Alright, back to the press. Alright, hopefully this goes as easy as the bushing did. Maybe not. Getting caught on something. There it goes. Nice and easy. It was caught on something for a second. Now we're in. Alright, so we figured out how to put the camera up a little bit so we can set her up. So, I don't know if the first time you could see it that bad. This is the worst of the two sides, so I did that one first to show you guys how bad it was. But here's with it, with the metal bushing and the rubber bushing back in, and there's no more movement. So, that'll take care of it. We're there. Both done and ready to go back in. Alright, so we got them all back in. Got some crush on that top bushing. Those are back in all new. Can't really see anything. It's getting kind of dark out, so but yeah, so that solved the issue. There's no more slop in them.